In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create background music for YouTube with Suno AI in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right into the process and ensure your videos have the perfect soundtrack. First, start by heading over to the Suno AI website and signing in. If you haven't used Suno AI before, you'll need to create an account, but don't worry. It's a quick and easy process. Once you've logged in, look for the Create page. This is where the magic happens. On the Create page, you'll want to turn on the Instrumental option. This ensures that the music generated will be purely instrumental, without any vocals, making it ideal for background use in your videos. Next, in the prompt box, it's time to get specific about the kind of music you're envisioning. Describe elements such as the mood, genre, and instruments you'd like. A detailed description helps Suno AI generate music that closely matches what you have in mind. To give you some inspiration, here's what a few example prompts might look like. You could say, a chill lo-fi hip-hop beat for studying, or maybe something like upbeat and inspiring corporate background music. You could also try cinematic ambient music with a piano and strings. Be as precise as possible to increase the likelihood of getting a perfect match for your video's needs. Once your prompt is ready, go ahead and click Create. Suno AI will work its magic and provide you with 2 musical options to listen to. Take your time to give each track a careful listen. When you find a track that resonates with your vision for the video, select it as your favorite. Happy with your choice? Great! You can now download the audio file directly to your computer. With your music ready, head over to YouTube Studio and sign in. Once there, go to the Content section and select the video you want to enhance with background music. Click on Editor and then Audio to proceed with editing your video's sound. Depending on the platform's current settings, you might either search for your freshly created music or directly upload the audio file you just downloaded. Following YouTube's on-screen instructions will guide you to integrate your new music into your video seamlessly. Once you've ensured everything sounds perfect, make sure to save your changes. And just like that, you've successfully created and added custom background music to your YouTube video using Suno AI. Your content is now ready to provide a richer experience for your audience, with the perfect soundtrack complementing your visuals. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating.